Appreciation stage, characterized by the development of abstract systems of thought that allow them to use propositional logic, scientific reasoning, and proportional reasoning. What is this? Letter A, concrete operations. Letter B, formal operations. Letter C, pre-operations. Or letter D, post-conventional. Tumpak po yung letter B. And sensory motor, the child is using his or her senses and the child is trying to develop his motor skills, no? Ang child mo dito ay gumagamit ng reflexes, may stranger anxiety, takot sa mga hindi niya kakilala, at may object permanence eventually, no? So eventually, alam niya na kahit na nasa ilalim ng unan or kumot ang isang bagay, andyan pa rin siya, no? That's under sensory motor. Pre-operational, your child has symbolic thinking, very wild, yung kanyang imagination. Animism, the child thinks that everything around him is living, no? Na may buhay, lahat ng mga nakapaligid sa kanya. Centration, nakatuon lamang po siya sa aspeto ng isang bagay. And egocentrism, the child is very selfish. Concrete operational decentration. Ngayon, pwede niya makita yung iba't ibang aspeto ng isang bagay. No? Conservation, kahit na yung naka-roll na clay ay ginawa mong flat, kung pwede pa rin siyang ma-roll into that ball of clay. No? Seriation, the child can already form series. No?